Modern Hyundais are rolling networks, with dozens of modules trading messages in milliseconds, and timing is everything.
Code P1690 points to a hands-free module timeout, which sounds like Bluetooth, but often isn't.
You might notice pairing failures, dropped calls, or nothing at all until a scan flags communication issues. The bigger risk is network integrity, because one unstable node can disturb other modules sharing power, ground, and CAN. First, understand the architecture. The hands-free module is just one node checking in through a gateway. CAN uses two twisted wires, and the mirrored signals rely on proper termination to stay clean. But data wires alone aren't enough. Stable battery voltage and ground reference keep timing consistent across modules. A timeout simply means the car expected a periodic heartbeat message and didn't receive it in time. Because of this, small connector problems can create bit errors, retries, and eventually a module that seems to disappear. Poor routing, shielding gaps, or EMI can distort signal edges, so messages arrive late or corrupted. After collision repairs, a twisted pair repaired incorrectly can raise noise sensitivity and change the bus behavior. Sometimes the bus is healthy, and the hands-free module itself fails, stopping its transmissions altogether. Professionals start with context: who reported it, whether it's current, and whether other network faults appear.
Then they verify power stability and ground voltage drop, because weak supply can mimic communication failures.
Next comes waveform integrity. A scope reveals clean mirrored patterns, or noise and rounded edges that break timing.
Isolation steps help pinpoint the source by disconnecting suspected nodes and watching whether the bus stabilizes.
If wiring is proven guilty, the correct repair restores pin fit, corrosion control, twist geometry, and strain relief.
And if network disturbances exist, technicians verify related systems on shared paths, like steering controls and safety-adjacent features.
Treat P1690 as a clue, a missed message in a high-speed conversation, solved by evidence-based diagnosis and validation.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Lock & Cow for more content like this.